guys might have seen me bitching online not too long ago about my Teraflex Swaybar disconnect, how the stud broke right off where it connects to the Swaybar end. I was thinking I was just going to change this bolt out on top until I realized that they welded it in. So then I was thinking I could just cut it apart and maybe take this end apart and get a bolt put in there. Except I started rummaging through the garage and I realized that from the first problem I had with Teraflex, I saved the old link. This link is bent, if you notice right here, from trying to hammer on it, and here is the seized stud that it connected to. These are the ones that I was saying in the other video that Teraflex sent me new ones that were milled down just a little bit smaller. But the beauty of this is this top piece, which is still whole, will unbolt right from here. So seeing as Teraflex doesn't want to respond to me, I will take the top off the old one, or the top off the broken one, top off the old one, swap them over. I got a good link again. Everything's all good. On a side note, where the hell is Teraflex's quality control? This one has a washer. This one has a bolt that doesn't even go down all the way because it's missing a washer. Alright. Freaking thing's really in there, huh? Alright, I guess we're going to have to apply some pressure to push this bolt out. Time to get some power tools. Alright. This needs to get wider. What do I have that can open that? This thing's already crushed and tightened down from being installed once. I gotta bust out my brake caliper compression tool to try to spread it open. Just a little bit. Hopefully it works because this tool's already a little messed up. Let's see what that does. Oh, yeah. Just enough. So now my end link is fixed. It just occurred to me I still got to figure out how I'm going to fix it installing up here, because the crush sleeve and the nut for the top of this are still seized on top of my sway bar. Alright, if I can't get this, I'm going to bust out the real tools if I can make them fit. Yeah. Alright, So I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a crush collar that goes in there, which is why it was so difficult to get out. But I'm just going to throw this in as is, because I don't have another crush collar, because Teraflex is sucking right now. I got the old nylock from the one that I stole this top piece off, so we're going to put it together. Oh, why isn't anything ever easy? This is ridiculous. Really. Yeah, definitely something stuck in my Swaybar. Let's disconnect the other link. Come on. So now the good side is stuck because it's been the only one holding the Swaybar on because the other side broke. How awesome is that? Quick disconnects, and I can't quick disconnect. I am never buying anything from Teraflex ever again. There. Freaking stud spun. Fellow Jeepers, I give you the Teraflex Quick Disconnect Swaybar links. Right. Alright, let's take a look at this Swaybar end. Yeah, that collar's still in there. Well, that goes in now, but you guys, I did a dumb thing. I seem to have lost the nut that I was going to use in the gravel here. So, I'll be back. I gotta go find it. Okay, actually, I did a smart thing. I had it on my toolbox. Finally. Teraflex's quick disconnect kit should come with a freaking hammer in the kit. I've had nothing but problems with these things since day one. So now, I'm connected up again, so I can drive on the street. Only thing is, this weekend, I'm going off-roading. We're going to Roush Creek. So I got to make sure that I'm able to disconnect those again. So I guess I'll be bringing a couple of wrenches and a hammer with me for my quick disconnects. Teraflex, I'm not happy. Your customer service was good the first time around when these things got stuck because the studs were wrong. Your quality control wasn't so good when you were missing washers and other hardware pieces. And now I'm just thinking your product is freaking crap, and your customer service, which was great the first time around, I don't know what happened because I'm still waiting to hear back from you guys. Yeah, never buying from Teraflex again. We'll see how this weekend goes.